Hello everyone, we are Solna and we are innovating the invoicing process. Solna is the first platform of its kind to be powered by credit score data. I'm Ina, co-founder CEO, this is Mark, co-founder, head of product, and that is Fatima. Solna was built to disrupt the culture of late payments. We believe this problem has a big impact not only on individual businesses, but on the economy as a whole. Every year, 50,000 of SMEs go bankrupt in UK because of late payments. For banks, addressing the needs of your existing SME customers and acquiring new ones, how can you differentiate yourself from the competition? The answer is providing them with innovative products and services like Solna. We have talked to a number of SMEs about their pain points, and we built a tool with 3 value propositions in one product. First, intuitive invoicing solution with best-in-class functionality. Second, automated credit control functionality. As third, we leverage credit score data and overlaid it with invoicing workflow. Now Mark, our imaginary customer, will turn into Solna and show how he uses it.
Thank you, Ina. Good afternoon, Finovate. So what I'm going to do today is show you 2 simple but powerful use cases on how your small business customers can utilize this product in order to improve their cash flow. The first is how they can use Solna's credit score data in order to do their due diligence and avoid late payments. The second is how they can use that same data in order to power and automate their credit control. So let's for a second imagine that I am a small tech recruitment firm out here in London. After months of getting hit with non-payments and late payments and spending hours each week chasing my customers for those invoices, I've decided to sign up for Solna. One of the first things I'm going to want to do when I'm on this platform is understand who I'm doing business with. So what is my customer's financial ability to pay me and their financial health? So the good thing is that in Solna, we make this process incredibly easy. With a couple clicks, SMEs get access to millions of company credit score data. So a customer just needs to click on Create, Customer, type in the company name that they're dealing with, and let Solna do the rest. We pull through structured data, be that business address, credit scores, and in some cases, Twitter or logos, to simplify the data entry so that the end user doesn't need to do this. With this particular customer, I can see that they don't have a great credit score. And this insight allows me to take some decisions. Do I demand a deposit up front? Do I shorten the payment terms? Or possibly get a full upfront payment when I send that invoice? But we don't just stop here. We go a step further and give the user the ability to get the full credit history for this customer. Traditional methods had customers going on to a company's house and looking at balance sheet reports that the small business doesn't understand. With Solna, we make this process extremely visual and simple to understand. So here you can see their historic credit score, allowing me to make more appropriate decisions as how I treat this customer. From here on, a customer can simply create an invoice. We won't show it in this demo, but a customer can customize that invoice, put branding, and then when they send it to their customer has the ability to pay them using an online payment portal with our partner Stripe. So to summarize, I've utilized this system to perform something that would take me several minutes, or if maybe not an hour, it's using traditional methods. You know?
Thanks, Mark. You acquired, I heard your business is going very well. You acquired a lot of customers and you have a lot of invoices every week. So how do you manage the ongoing cash flow?
It is. I'm a great tech recruiter, always on LinkedIn. Yeah, so basically avoiding late payments is more than just doing due diligence. It's also about having the right tools and processes in place. And the good thing is that Solna has those. So let me talk to you a little bit about this screen. What I'm looking at here is basically a list of my customers, and I can see my outstanding invoices, my overdue invoices, and the open balance. Filtering the list, I can quickly see who my biggest debtors are. In this case, it's Obama's always pays on time and Druff late payers. I'm fairly confident that Obama's always going to pay on time because Again, I see the credit score. It's a very good credit score. And on top of it, I have my invoice reminders set up with them. Invoice reminders act as my in-house credit control team. So instead of hiring someone to chase those invoices, the system does it automatically for me. So I'm fairly confident these invoices will get paid. But on Trump late payers, I'm a little bit iffy. So I click into that. I hover over the invoices, and I can get an understanding on where the progress is. So for this invoice, I can see, for example, that they haven't actually even viewed their invoice, and I don't have the automatic reminders turned on. But just to automate this process here, again, all I need to do is just turn that on, and the system will automatically start chasing this customer. Obviously, since it's about 70 days, I probably would want to actually call them. But so that's how, with this system, you can not only do the due diligence, but also automate your credit control.
Thanks, Mark, for demoing Solna. To summarize, we are building strong community around Solna and around our mission to support SMEs. To that end, we will always provide small companies and startups with a minimum set of free features to keep their invoicing in order. We already had a great pickup and acquired 2,000 pre-launch signups. Now we are launching the product to the market. If your customers are small business owner, or if you are small business owner by yourself, think about how Solna can help you improve your cash flow, manage risk, and mitigate late payments. We welcome you at our stand. Please visit us and have a chat. Thank you.